Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muhammad Ali. My ID is 12504008, Department of Mathematics. Today I am going to present on the topic Introduction to C Programming. At first, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered how software, mobile apps, or even operating systems are created? Behind all of this, there are some programming languages, and one of the most important and fundamental languages is C. So the first question is, what is C programming? C is general purpose programming language that allows us to write instructions for computers. It was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. C is known for its speed, efficiency, and flexibility. That's why it is still widely used even today. Why should we learn C? There are several reasons why learning C is important. First, C is considered the foundation of programming. Many modern languages like Java, C++, and Python are based on C concepts. Second, it helps us understand how a computer actually works, especially memory and processing. Third, C is widely used in operating systems, embedded systems, game development, so learning C builds a strong base for any programming career. Features of C programming. C has some powerful features. It is simple and fast. It is portable, meaning programs can run on different machines. It allows low-level memory access, giving more control to the programmer. It supports structured programming, making code organized and easier to understand. Basic structure of C program. Let's look a simple C program. We can see that include stdio.h, int main, printf, hello world, return 0. Now I will explain it briefly. Include stdio.h is used to include input output functions. Main is the starting point of every C program. Printf is used to display output, and return 0 indicates the program has ended successfully. Key concepts in C. Some basic concepts in C include variables used to store data, data types like integer, float, character, operators such as addition, subtraction, control statements like if else and loops, functions used to divide programs into smaller parts. Applications of C. C is used in many important areas. Operating systems like Unix, embedded systems like microcontrollers, compilers and interpreters, database systems. Advantages and disadvantages. Now let's look at some pros and cons. Advantages. Very first and efficient, gives low-level control, widely used and powerful. Disadvantages: does not support object-oriented programming. Memory management is manual, can be difficult for beginners. At last, C is one of the most important programming languages. It is often called the mother of modern programming languages. By learning C, we can build a strong programming foundation and understand how software works at deeper level. Thank you everyone for listening.